here, the Sony A7s III. This is the camera that I've been waiting for so long, and not just me, everyone. And I'm gonna unbox it, and then I'm gonna tell you guys to go watch another video where I do a very in-depth review of this. We went to Utah and got a chance to check this out early and had the absolute best time. And now, for the past, how long was that? When did we go? Was that like a month? Has it been like almost 2 months? I don't even,
What's time?
I don't know, but it's been over a month since we haven't had this camera, so we've had to go back to shooting on the A7 IIIs, which are also incredible cameras. This is it, it's here. And now, I would say my video life has changed. I was gonna say my actual life has changed, I guess it sort of has, but video life, there's no going back. Okay, let's open it. Everyone keeps asking me why I have a throwing axe in my desk. I don't even know why you would ask me such a question. It seems like a very normal accessory. Instructions. What are you telling me? They're telling me something about SD cards. I am excited to get the new compact flash card to really test out some of the high-end S&Q 4K 120 recording features because I didn't have one at the time of shooting the previous review. USB-C cable, you can charge this with USB-C, which is incredible. No recording time limits, 4K 120, 422, 10-bit. Oh, I'm gonna call my mom and let her know. She probably already watched my review, so she's well aware. This is actually a very, very precious piece right here. This is the battery charger. This does use the Z series batteries, like the A7 III and a bunch of the other higher end line cameras. Oh, buddy! Look at this! There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. Oh, wow. It feels so heavy compared to the A7C that they just came out with. That thing is so incredibly light, but this is a beefy boy. Or girl. Oh, it smells like high production value. Oh, wow. Look at this. No jingle, no jangle. Have you met our friend, the flip out screen? I was reading a review, I forget what the website was, but it was like a super professional review, and in one of the descriptions, it called this the flippy out screen. It was like the cutest thing ever. It's really what it is. Like, what else are you gonna call it? Anything else in here? Like something like maybe some breakfast? Oh, a little bittery. Oh, here you are. Z series can never have enough batteries, but the good thing is the battery life on this is really great. And since we've started using these larger batteries in a lot of our shoots, I mean, it's incredible. And most of these cameras that we have right now, we started plugging them into USB-C, so we hardly even use batteries. Oh, something else for the power brick. Charger, charge it up, I'm charged up. So that's it. I've unboxed it. Now I want to send you guys to the link to watch my full review. This video was really fun, so it's something that I'm very proud of, and we worked really hard on this, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. And basically my next review is going to be all of the other videos that I shoot that look really incredible. It's because of this. Should I give it a name, maybe? Like, leave me some comments below of what you think that I should name this new camera, and I will make a sticky label and I will put it on the camera. Hello, my name is. Subscribe for more videos because there are so many coming out that it's incredibly overwhelming, but I'm so excited. So I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go charge.
You forgot the camera.
Oh my God, I am taking trash. I forgot the battery. God, I'm gonna stab myself and not be happy.
You have a cable for charging.
I have one, it's fine.
Yeah, here you go. So it's gonna be very dangerous over here.
Oh, that's a drop.
So
Oh my, it is.
So you can go around, but like I was up there on that edge. Okay.